On today's menu, working with what you have. What I ate for lunch. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Well, it's one of those weeks where it's super busy, there's only random odds and ends in the fridge. This is not a tested recipe, but it is lunchtime, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I have some broccolini, some green onion, some king oyster mushrooms, absolutely love these. Have a little bit left of some extra firm tofu. Have some Asian eggplants and this daikon radish. Definitely not going to use all of this. Some random groceries. I'm thinking stir fry. Also want it to be super easy, nothing fancy, still have a lot of stuff to do. Peel and slice a medium piece of the daikon. Roughly chop the king oyster mushrooms. Chop the 2 eggplants into small pieces. Two sticks of green onion, chopped. Sauté pan. Medium heat. 2 tablespoons chili oil. Of course, you can make this chili oil at home. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and you'll see how easy it is to make this. Saute the daikon and the green onion for about a minute. Mushrooms. Eggplant. About half a cup of crumbled extra firm tofu. One tablespoon doubanjang, a fermented broad bean paste. Half tablespoon black rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Give it a good stir for another minute. Broccolini. Add a cup of water, cover and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Rice. Plate. Sprinkled with white sesame seeds. You can now make this delicious lunch with absolute confidence. It's sweet, it's salty, a little spicy, and that eggplant really just melts in your mouth and absorbs all that flavor. There's just a little bit of a texture from the daikon radish and the white sesame seeds, and if you eat it with the white rice, it's just really incredible and really delicious. By the way, if you're new here, welcome, I'm glad you're here. Be sure to pick up your free 5 recipe ebook that I've put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. You can do that in the link in the description box below. And as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.